by Ruma and Ruma for 2014.
The kiwi is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Haast eagle, or Hokioi, is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa, and now it is extinct. The kaka is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Weta is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Kiwi is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Pūkeko is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Ruma is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa, and now it is extinct. The Kororā is a penguin that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Pepeketua is a frog that's native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Pūkeko is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa. The Tuatara is a lizard that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa.
The Piwaiwaka is a bird that is native to New Zealand, Aotearoa.